Coming to the axial section of the brain. Now, in the axial section of the brain, you can see this is the frontal lobe. This is the this cleft is the sylvian fissure. The covering on the cleft is the operculum. Operculum means a cap, so it's a operculum. OPERCULUM. So operculum. Then this is the temporal lobe, this region up to the pointed end of the lateral ventricle. These are the lateral ventricles. So lateral ventricles. So up to the pointed end of the lateral ventricle, this is the temporal lobe, and this region between the two temporal lobes is the occipital lobe. This is the midline, which is occupied by falx. Falx is a sheet of meninges which divides the brain into two halves, two cotyledons, the right side and the left side. Please remember, the right side is on the left of you while you're viewing the screen, because the right of the patient will be actually on your left when you're seeing an image. So actually the patient's right is this side, so I'm marking it correctly. So now this red structure is the caudate nucleus. CAUDATE nucleus. These are deep nuclei which are involved in a lot of functions of the brain, like movements, and then sexual functions and all these things. Caudate nucleus. Then this is this outer triangle is the inner triangle is the globus pallidus. Globus pallidus. And the outer is the nucleus striatum. So these are the points which are to be known. Now this part of the brain, which is a capsule covering the inner part, is the inner capsule, and the outer capsule lies outside the deep nuclei. So these are the important parts of the brain. Another thing is the gray matter and the white matter. So the white matter is white and the gray matter is gray. So what appears white here, comparatively white, that is the inner parts, this area is the white matter, and the thin outer part is the gray matter. These are the points which are to be remembered. Thank you.